Aurelio's laughter. Here we are.
No, this will end up on Facebook. I don't want to.
Laugh, Aurelio.
I will see you guys. Swear to God, I will.
Okay.
Hey, you want those donuts? You can have those. Are mine.
Chris.
I'm trying not to eat donuts.
And Richie.
Delicious.
Richie's on the guitar. Richie's on the guitar. It's gonna be on Cops.
Wait, what did I do?
Cops.
Black man with the guitar. Who, me? Yeah.
Get that cool dude right there.
Hi guys. From out of the leg.
What?
Hey.
What's up?
Hey. Hey.
Hi.
What are your views?
You're on Holly camera.
What are my what?
Your views on the vending machine.
Well, I got M&M's from it a couple of days ago, and it worked out great. So I'm not too opposed to the machine yet.
Took my money before.
One day it will, and I'll be really mad.
That's right. That's right. He will.
Are you not a returning customer?
Well, I've already bought one thing, so don't even know one-time deal.
What are your views on this vending machine?
Fucking hate it.
You hate it?
Yes,
What's wrong
I
with
do.
it?
Oh, it takes my money.
Huh?
What's wrong with it?
You may test it right now.
Go for it. You're so goofy.
It was hilarious. Let's just zoom in on Aurelio's beard.
Like, what are your views on the vending machine? I don't care. I'm just gonna look at your boobs. Boobies.
Alright.
Oh no! Don't do that on video. Oh no, my M&M's got.
Really? I thought it worked. What happened?
Can you shake this for me?
Yes,
I told you the vending machine sucks.
Awesome.
I got that
glorious black man. Yes, look at that. The
black man to the rescue.
It's fucking beautiful. Good job, sir. Good job.
Amazing. That was truly amazing.
I thought about running from back there and slamming into it.
Like tackling.
Seriously, we had seriously just said that. Oh man, this machine sucks. He's like, oh, I got it.
I get the death stuck, you guys.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Official.
Get a picture of Elvis boobies.
No, he hasn't made it yet. The glorious champion, destroyer of vending machine. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Charles.